Yo, what's up, dudes? I just got this cool big air Breakout. It's one of the small monster truck playsets that I've been waiting for from Hot Wheels. And dude, if you look at that box art, this thing is gonna be awesome. Looks like that crazy Locopunk is shooting for the stars here. And as you can see from the window on the packaging, it comes with a Locopunk. And looking for any new information on the sides and backs and bottom, got some honesty shots, how it works. Looks like it comes with one car and 4 accessories, which I'm guessing is the exploding cars, the little orange things on the front and the back. So let's open it up and take a look. So it looks like it has the standard easy back opening like most of the Hot Wheels playsets. And if we pop it open, everything looks nice and neatly packed here. Got the instruction manual. Standard operating procedures here. Tells you how to put it together, which it looks pretty easy, about 4 steps. And a little bit on how to play with it. Stack cars up, and you smash them down. So here's the ramp. It's got a really cool, like, cobalt blue, almost metallic. Here are 4 yellow crash cars and a red, white, and blue launcher. Awesome. I like that. The white is really bright on this plastic. And it just snaps in there really easily. It looks like it's track compatible as well, so you could extend the length. And you've got a measuring backboard and a sticker. This guy's got scores on it. And here's the sticker. Let's just slap this guy on here real quick. Not too hard, there we go. And you just shove it in there, right? Fits like a glove. Okay, let's open up these cars and see what we got. Okay, it looks like the first one is a yellow Purple Passion. This guy's a yellow Twin Mule. Got little pegs and holes all over them. I'm guessing that they stick together. Here's the Dodora, also yellow. And we've got looks like a crushed ride-along. So those are the models of the crushed cars. And here are all the components for the set, minus the Locopunk that it comes with. So let's open him up and take a look. So it's got some rubber ties on the bottom, and that's what holds it up in the box. So let's just open up the window from the back here. Seems to be the easiest way to go. And there we go, we've got a Season 2 Locopunk. Now let's just find some room for him right here. Alright, this is everything. Not bad. This set was only $10. So you get quite a bit. Let's stack the trucks here and let's see how it basically plays. So the pegs, they kind of keep everything a little loosely in order, and bam, you smash it, and they crash it. Okay. So let's really hammer this thing and see what happens. One, two, three, go! So let's set it up with real cars and see how it goes. So I think that's the point, right? You kind of straddle them on here. Bam! Bam! So one of the really cool things about this set is that it comes with these cars that connect together like puzzle pieces. It's a really simple peg and hole system sculpted into the cars. There are 2 pegs and 2 holes on each sculpt. And you can get some really weird designs that don't always work out, but are fun in the end nonetheless. One thing I enjoyed trying to do was integrating the cars with the goofy constructs. It didn't always work out, but I had fun experimenting anyway. For the $10 price tag on this set, I think it's totally worth it. It comes with a fair amount of pieces, but it's the customization and experimental crashing potential that really lets it shine. But hey guys, there's a lot of new stuff coming out this season, so comment, like, and subscribe. I wouldn't want you to miss out on anything. See you later.